Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
Time to do an unboxing.
Shaka on the beats. Shaka on the beats.
So we just removed the original wing, but check this out though. You gotta be ready for this. All of these holes, yeah, they have a purpose, because I just had seen a YouTube video where the guy only mentioned these two holes. This one, you know, the ones in the corner. But you know, I was thinking that was it. No. So this, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, let me make sure that I'm pointing out right. So these are just clips that you just have to pop out. But these three, you actually have to get it. Let me show you. You gotta remove the whole insulation, and you're gonna see the three screws here. But the good thing is that you only have to unscrew two of them. But remember, you have to remove these, which is fairly easy. You just have to unclip that, and that's it. You're gonna see it like here, right? So once you remove, actually, you know, this from here, that's it. You have to go to work, you know, or you have to go to town, however the saying says, and start lifting. Now you're gonna see double-sided tape, which actually are a pain in the butt, man. It's just a pain in the butt to remove those. So I think that a two-man job is gonna be required here, so that way one can be lifting up and the other one can be removing softly. I have to clean this, by the way, but you know, one can be removing softly the thing. But on to installing the wing. The product itself, I love it. The ease of install, but you know, never mind. See you in the morning. After 3 days of heavy rain, we finally got some sunshine and you know, some good weather to do some good old post-install review. So yeah, so let's start with the ease of install. Like you saw in the last clip, I was extremely is a very strong adjective there, but it was a little frustrating, because if you just go by the one removal video that there's on YouTube before this one, you would think that is easier than what you actually are up for. But like I was saying, not only do you have to deal with the outer corner screws, you have to also deal with the middle one. But alright, so without further ado, let me show you the outcome. Thank you for watching. Give a like, subscribe if you like the content, and I will see you in the next one.